Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about 7 steps to effectively stress test a financial model. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Stress testing a financial model is essential for evaluating its resilience under adverse conditions. Here are 7 steps to effectively conduct a stress test. 1. Define scenarios. Identify potential stress scenarios relevant to your financial model, such as economic downturns, regulatory changes, or operational disruptions. This provides a framework for testing. 2. Determine key variables. Select the critical variables in your model that will impact outcomes, such as revenue growth, expenses, and interest rates. Focus on those with the greatest influence. 3. Set parameters. Establish specific thresholds for each variable based on historical data and expert judgment. This helps create realistic scenarios for analysis. 4. Run simulations. Implement the stress scenarios in your model. Adjust the key variables to see how they affect overall performance metrics, such as cash flow and profitability. 5. Analyze results. Evaluate the output of your stress tests. Identify weaknesses and vulnerabilities in the model that could impact financial stability. 6. Document findings. Record your findings and insights. Documentation aids in understanding the model's limitations and informs future improvements. 7. Revise model. Based on the results, refine the financial model to enhance its robustness against potential stressors. Conclusion. Following these steps will strengthen your financial model and improve its reliability in uncertain conditions. I hope that you like the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.